Sustainable Development Goal SDGs or global goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were stepped up in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. They are included in a UNGA resolution called 2030 Agenda, or what is colloquially known as Agenda 2030. The SDGs were developed in the post-2015 development agenda as the future global development framework to succeed the Millennium Development Goals which ended in 2015. I am here with my team to present all 17 SDGs goals, and they are:
Goal number 1, no poverty. Growth must be inclusive to provide sustainable jobs and to promote equality.
Goal number 2, no hunger. The Food and Agriculture Department offers key solution for the development and is central for the eradication, hunger and poverty eradication.
Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Ensuring healthy life and promoting well-being for all the ages is it to ensure sustainable development.
Goal number 4, quality education. Obtaining a quality education is the foundation to improving people's life and sustainable development.
Goal number 5, gender equality is not only a fundamental human right but a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous and sustainable world.
Goal 6. Clean water and sanitation. Clean, accessible water for all is an essential part of the world we want to live in.
Goal 7. Affordable and clean energy. Energy is central to nearly every major challenge and opportunity.
Goal 8. Decent work and economic growth. Sustainable economic growth will require societies to create conditions that allow people to have quality jobs.
Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Investments in infrastructure are crucial to achieve sustainable development.
Goal 10, reduce inequalities. To reduce inequalities, policies should be universal in principle, paying attention to the needs of disadvantaged and marginalized population.
Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. There needs to be future in which cities provide opportunities for all with access to basic services, energy, housing, transportation and more.
Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production.
Goal 13, climate action. Climate change is a global challenge that affects everyone and everywhere.
Goal 14. Life below water. Careful management of essential global resource is a key feature of a sustainable future.
Goal 15, sustainably manage forest, combat deforestation, halt and reserve land degradation, halt biodiversity loss.
Goal 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions. Access to justice for all and building effective, accountable institutions at all levels. Goal 17. Partnership revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. Thank you.
Thank you.